What do you guys want to eat? What's up, Racers Creed fans? So today I'm bringing you a special video. We're heading to the Spokane Auto Show, and basically it is all the new upcoming cars for 2017. You guys excited about going to the car show?
Yeah.
What do you guys want to do?
I want to eat.
Okay, it looks like there's a pretty good turnout here. There's cars everywhere. So there's gonna be lots of people, and some gentleman just actually gave me a free ticket that he won. That was awesome. What do you think, bud? You excited? You gonna be a gentleman to get the door bracelet?
There's race cars also, Dad.
Huh? Race cars? Where?
Cadillac, Lexus, Porsche, Audi. Go that way. It is the NSX.
idea, buddy.
Let's say no engine have the ability to just get over here. Yeah, let's say you go into your house.
Sorry to disappoint, there's no engine in this car. Sweet. Thank you. How do you even get to the engine in this car?
I don't know. I think this is over good.
Maybe it's up front.
Man, I'm glad I don't have to work on these.
We have a changeable code, 3 months.
What do you think about all the cool cars?
I love it here.
Yeah. Ooh, there we go. What kind of car is that, Bryson? You know what that is. Don't know? Supercharged. SRT. These ones come with the Cummins diesel now, huh?
Yes, yes, and the Titan XD.
Is that this one? Dave Smith special, huh?
Right over there. Yeah. Now I know where I am. I came. We were over there last year, so I go walking in there. I'm like, as I'm walking through the building trying to find it, I didn't know exactly where it was in the building.
Careful, yeah.
Your guys.
So is this year's model?
Yes. I'm Dana, by the way.
I'm Robert.
Robert, nice to meet you.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting into one of these.
Oh yeah. In fact, if you want to take one for a drive, just let me know.
Okay.
I got a plate right here with me.
Sweet. Load all the kids
And
in
one of the largest crew cabs.
yeah, this is
Almost is the size of a mega cab.
we had a mega cab and yeah, it's
Zero gravity seats in all the seats, so you don't get any pressure points, so longer trips. And please sit in the back because they are the most comfortable, I think, of any truck seat in the back seat.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times the back seat has that uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So is this like fifth wheel ready? Is that what that is?
Excuse me?
Is that like fifth wheel ready?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
You can get it through this package that gives you the two hooks and the ball,
Oh, cool.
and they just screw right into that.
Nice.
This also has the utility track system. You get 4 cleats on it. It really makes the tie down easy.
Gotcha.
You can do it on the floor as well as around.
Nice.
And this is the off-road package. You get the extra covers underneath, the locking differential, backup cameras, sonar.
Let's pop the lid on this bad boy.
The other thing is this is a one-hitch brand truck. On the backup camera, there's a blue line that shows right where the hitch is, so you can pull right up to it. And if the third time, if you hit the lock twice and hold it the third time, it goes through all the lights on the trailer as well as the truck, so you don't have to have somebody beside you. Blinker working.
Yeah, right.
All that. So it is an actual one person can run a hitch truck.
We got crafty.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that. We had a lot of fun cruising around and seeing all the new cars. That Titan XD from Nissan was pretty sweet, especially the ones that come with the V8 Cummins, and that would be one of the trucks that I would buy if I was to buy a brand new truck. Super clean interior. Yeah, lots of room in the back seat. That was a big thing. We had a mega cab Dodge 2500 with the 6.7 Cummins, and the back seat of the Nissan XD was near the same. What do you guys want to eat?
Chicken nuggets and french fries. Chicken nuggets and french fries.
Wendy's.
And
Ow!
God! No scratch.
Wendy's? Wendy's isn't good for you. Pizza?
Yeah! I want to go.
Deacon, what kind of pizza do you want?
Hope he doesn't say jalapeno.
Huh? You want jalapenos on your pizza, Deacon?
No.
Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna close this one out here. I am doing a pump on a John Deere tractor. I'm gonna catch some video of that later today, and I should have that up for tomorrow's video. I've got to do some fluids, belts, and some other miscellaneous maintenance. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video as well. Leave comments below. I love reading those things from you guys. Makes my day. And always remember, stay focused on your goals and they will eventually manifest. We'll see you on the next one, guys.